Hey, sweetie. In a rental car, huh? They're not like
ready?
This isn't a race.
Okay. Good? Yeah, you're good. All right. Go ahead and close one more time, a little harder. Perfect. Oh man, you got lucky they let you put that on.
You usually don't
We're not allowed to at all.
Alright.
Don't do that. Alright, so two ways you can drive this car. Automatic or paddle shifting. Completely up to you which way you'd rather do.
Paddle.
Sounds good. Very easy. Even though it is the slower way out there, it's going to be upshifting on your right hand, downshifting on your left hand. You're always pulling towards you.
Yeah.
Just like a manual transmission, you never want to downshift it into first gear while the car is rolling. Always want to make sure you're at a dead stop before going down into first gear. Other than that, we're going to have 4 laps out there.
Cool.
Our first lap out there is a super easy one. It's a nice and slow, half speed. Get a feeling for the car, get a feeling for the track, and see where we're going. Second lap out there, if you feel comfortable, you can go ahead and step into it. We do ask you not to overdrive it, so no tire squealing, no rear end kicking out, no front end pushing. Just because I can only give you one warning, second one, I do have to shut it down. Other than that, enjoy yourself and have fun. Alright, well if you're all ready to go ahead and hold your foot on the brake for me.
Yeah, it's not.
So, rolling into the gas, so we're going to go right there between those 2 sets of yellow dots. On the right side of the post, straight ahead. We're going way too slow to the chicken.
So this is
Up, yeah.
up to
Yep, there you go. Alright, so you're going to notice the triple cone on each side of the track. That's the braking zone when you're at full speed.
Yeah.
So on the next lap, that's where you'll be braking at. Staying right down the middle, following it around. There you go. We're going to make it one big continuous turn out of this one, so keep it moving. Perfect, little wide, tightening it up. This is where we're going to feel lateral G, so side to side, super sharp right, super sharp left, right back over to the right. Perfect, start getting back into the gas, straight shot. There you go. One big continuous turn left, turning in, start getting on the gas, and give it all it's got. There you go, staying in the middle. There you go, tracking out wide. And coming right back in. Brake hard. Nice and tight. There you go. A little bit too much on that one, boss. There you go. Oh, careful.
got a cut.
Full carbon fiber body. Brakes very easy and very expensive, so be careful. Nice and tight. Start rolling in. Back on the gas. Brake hard. Keep braking. Perfect. Staying in the middle. Very good. There you go. Tracking out wide. Nice and tight. Brakes. Nice. Oh, a little bit too much again. Nice and tight. Oh, a little bit too much on those. Rolling back into the gas. Brake hard. One last one to go. Going out wide. Start tightening it up. Wait for it. Now on the gas. Brake hard. Even harder. There you go. Staying in the middle.
Man, I don't want to open it up even more, dude.
There you go. Perfect. A little bit of brakes. There you go. Off the gas. Nice and tight. Oh, a little bit too
Cool,
much.
man.
There you go. Back into the gas a little bit. And we're going to be exiting right here.
That's it?
That's it.
I thought that was my warm-up lap.
There you go. We're going to park right over towards the left a little bit. Going towards the right now. Perfect. Right here is great. There you go. Foot on the brake.
Thanks, man.
No worries. I hope you enjoyed it out here, man. You gonna take a couple quick pictures?
Yeah.
Hang on. We got the car to get you over here.